You can use the Responses API to generate or edit images. Simply type in the description of the image you want in the input parameter. You also need to specify the image generation tool. This will do it. Let's now capture the image and save it to a file. This code filters the response output array for objects with type equal to image generation call and then creates a new array containing only their result values. The resulting array is stored in image data. Now, let's save this image data into a file. Here we save the image to a file with this name. A quick word on models. Here we are using the full GPT-5 model, which is the most powerful model with a high level of reasoning. But it's also the most expensive and the slowest model to use. Unless your query requires a high level of reasoning, or you are building sophisticated cross-domain agentic services, using the mini or even the nano version of GPT-5 model will save you time and money. Let's change our model. We can now view this file. We can do multi-turn editing of the created image. That is, iteratively make high-fidelity edits to images with prompting. See the section on conversation state in order to see how this is done.